Alrighty, Boo Boo Kitties, let's jump right into this tutorial. We're going to be using Canva. I've already uploaded an image. You can do so by selecting uploads. And I'm just going to make a copy by selecting this, tapping those double squares with the plus sign because I want to do like a before and after. So say if you just finished a photo shoot, Boo Boo Kitties, and you're like, I wish that this fit was pink, right? I'm going to show you how to change the color of your outfit or your accessories real easy in Canva. So I'm going to select the second image, go to edit. I'm going to scroll over within the Magic Studio and I'm going to click Magic Edit. Now I'm going to zoom in and this is where the magic happens, Boo Boo Kitties. So I'm going to make sure that my brush size is a decent size and I'm literally just going to go over the entire garment except the belt. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Something to keep in mind that this tool does not work with editing faces and hands. For example, say if the hands were crossed and the hands and fingers got in the way of the outfit, it would kind of mess up your design because I tried it with another picture and I was like, So it's best used when you have your fingers, your hands, your feet, or your face out of the way. So this is a perfect pick to utilize for this tutorial. So as you can see, you guys, Boo Boo Kitties, this is not perfect, but I'm just making sure to go over the entire garment. Once you go over the entire garment, we're going to type where it says describe your edit, and I'm going to demand this magic edit to change the color to a dark pink, and then we're going to hit generate. And Boo Boo Kitties, bubble, bubble, bubble. Y'all see how quick? Listen, hold on. Now we got to change the Birkin just because I was just going to keep it pink. But baby, we got to change the Birkin now because I want to show you how easy this is to really switch up the colors. If you're like, you know what, I wish that this was in blue, but they only had this in white. I'm going to do a photo shoot and I'm going to go into Magic Edit and change the color. Now let's go back over and highlight our pink image and hit edit. We're going to go back to Magic Edit, but this time, Boo Boo Kitties, I'm going to change the color of the shoes. Even though they said keep the hands and feet and legs out of the editing, guess what? But before we do the shoes, let's do this Birkin, okay? Let's do this Birkin. So I'm going to minimize the brush size here. And I'm just going to make sure that I cover the entire purse. Again, it does not have to be perfect. Of course, I don't want to get the dress, right? But it doesn't have to be precise, which is important. But I want to make sure that we keep this scarf out of the way. I think I kind of went over the scarf, but it's okay. It's okay. They ain't gonna see none of that once we zoom in, Boo Boo Kitties. We're just gonna do this here. And y'all, I'm so excited to be showing you guys some of the classes that are in all on her iPhone University, because when I say my Boo Boo Kitties are learning how to edit and flex and slay, going from amateur to professional, okay, when it comes to designing their graphics in as little as 1 week, and you can too. Now I'm going to hit change color to, I'm going to do gold. Even though this doesn't match, y'all, I just want to change the colors of the different accessories just so that you guys can see. So I'm going to type in change to gold and hit generate. And let's see what we come up with. You already know. And they give you 4 options to choose from, whether you want something that's more of like a canary yellow or more of like a deep yellow that kind of mimics gold. You can choose whichever you like. Baby. And you can always hit generate again if you don't like the color. If you want to just change it, like, no, I want to change it to black, you'll do generate again and it'll generate the black color. Okay, Boo Boo Kitty, so let's select this image again because we're going to do the shoes. Why not? We're going to go up to edit, Magic Studio, Magic Edits. Make sure that this is over brush. You see how it says brush, and click under select area to edit. We're going to always be under brush for this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing, Boo Boo Kitties, but for the shoes, okay? For the shoes. And I think I'm going to probably, what color should I do? I'm going to do silver, but silver may not pop out how I would want it to, how I envision it to, because it's already white. So I feel like we're probably going to have to just end up doing gold, but we're going to see. So I'm going to type in change color to silver, generate, and let's see what we can come up with. You see how it says editing face, hands, or legs isn't intended to matching edit, but it's okay because we still gonna work with this. Okay, change to gold, generate again. Let's see if this works. If not, then we can't do the feet because as it says. Okay, so boom, it worked. Okay. Alrighty. So let's highlight this again. Let's go back to edit because let's do the hat now because I just really want to show y'all Boo Kitties. Let's go to Magic Edit again under Magic Studio. I'm going to zoom in. This is crazy how I just changed the color, y'all. Literally, like, I have been doing this in Photoshop since I was 14, like years ago when I decided to be like, you know what? I'm going to dive all into Canva, master it, and teach my Boo Boo Kitties. This was back in 2015, 2016 when I first discovered Canva. I think I discovered Canva in 2016 when I actually got it. And I got Canva Pro because I was like, oh, Canva? Honey, I'm gonna need them elements. I'm gonna have to upgrade to Canva Pro, and I ain't never looked back. So the fact that you are able to change the colors of your images, you guys, you could save money instead of hiring a graphic designer, playing around with your graphics, being able to really practice when it comes to editing your graphics, you guys, is popping. It's what I love. So we're gonna type in here, change to change to the color. I'm gonna do gold again because why not? Even though it don't match, I just wanna change it up. And look at that, y'all. It's still giving white, but it has that yellow tint to it. So I'm gonna select this one to the top right. The one to the top left isn't loading for some reason. But yes, here we have it, Boo Boo Kitties. We literally just did what one can do in Photoshop that takes a little more time in Canva with literally just a few brush strokes and one click. And this is how you are able to change your clothes within an image. Comment down below and subscribe.